It is day 5 of the commercial gym project, and we are back in Barrington, Rhode Island today. Right now, I'm talking about how we're going to be running 2 circuits upstairs for these treadmills. Now, I was able to actually pull out 2 additional circuits that were upstairs and retie into those feeds. Basically, one fed a receptacle, was just by itself, and the other one fed a receptacle with 2 switches, and that was also by itself. So these were 2 dedicated 20 amp circuits, which I tied into, and as you can see, I pulled those down into the basement and added MC and brought those upstairs. I will show you that very shortly. I'm pointing out right there, that's where the other dedicated circuit's going to go. I labeled that, dedicated plug under window, and then upstairs, once they have the sheetrock ready and everything's painted, I'm going to label that, dedicated circuit for the treadmill, just so everyone plugs into that. This plug right here you're seeing is for the compressor. So all the gym equipment is actually actuated on this dual piston Kaiser air compressor. I ran that. I changed over with MC, went down to EMT there, labeled it, power panel 1, circuit number 12. And I also put a service switch there for the compressor. Even though it's going to be a 110 volt plug, it doesn't matter. It's kind of in a crummy spot, and, trying to reach over to disconnect that plug is a little bit cumbersome. And, I don't know how much stuff they're going to put down there, so having that disconnect switch is essential. I talked about yesterday we're going to be putting in all that emergency lighting. I got all the emergency lighting up for the day, so that's perfect. So if you're in the Massachusetts or Rhode Island area and you're looking for a high-quality electrician, give us a call. We're taking new clients.